How to transfer your Google Photos to your iPhone gallery. Now it's easy to do, so let's go and jump straight into it. The first thing you'll need is to go and open up the App Store on your iPhone. You can then search for Google Photos and make sure you've downloaded and installed this app here, which is Google Photos. Once you've installed the app, you may need to sign into your Google account. And once you're signed in, you'll be able to see all of the photos in Google. Now to go and save these onto your iPhone gallery, go and hold your finger down on one of the photos. You can then scroll all the way down by selecting all of the photos that you want to download onto your phone. Once you have your photos selected, click on the share button, and then you can scroll down and click on save to files, and then just press save. Now once you've saved these photos into the files app on your phone, you can then close out of this app and go and search for files, and you need to open up the files app. From files, go and locate the photos that we just saved over to this folder. Once you've found your photos, click on the three horizontal dots and press select. Now select the photos that you want to save to your iPhone gallery. Click on the share button at the bottom of the page and press save images. Now these will save over to your phone's gallery. So if we close out of this app and go and search for photos, you can now see at the very recent photos, here are all of my Google Photos.